Hi traders, welcome to my channel Cora Trade. Today I will discuss some important breakout stocks to invest in long-term perspective. One of international tours and travel agency firm, that is Thomas Cook India. It offers a broad spectrum of services that include foreign exchange, corporate travel, MICA, leisure travel, visa and passport services, and e-business. Their company set up its first office in 1881 in India. The Thomas Cook India Group spreads over 25 countries across 5 continents with a team of 8,300 people. Thomas Cook have 19 brands under its subsidiary. For example, Sita, Transport Corporation of India TCI, Distant Frontiers. Present market capital was 4,540 crores. Current market price is 96 rupees. If we observe the technical charts about price movement from 2 years, it is consolidated between 55 to 85 rupees up to last week. Last week it is crossed over that 55 to 85 consolidation zone and closed at 96 rupees. After 2 to 3 weeks, again it will come to 90 rupees level. If you buy at 90 rupees level, it may go up to 120 to 130 level within 2 to 3 months span of time. So this is all about Thomas Cook India stock. Next one, I will discuss about LIC Housing Finance. This LIC Housing Finance, why I am expressing today, for further investment in LIC Housing Finance is very important. This LIC Housing Finance Limited is a housing finance company registered with the National Housing Bank and mainly engaged in financing purchase, construction of individual houses or flats, and project finance to developers, loan against property, lease rental discounting for commercial properties, as well as purchase of commercial shops and showrooms. LIC Housing Finance shares went up to 9%. Why? Because it is increased Q1 profit 42%. That means 1319 crores when compared to last year quarter 926 crores. That's why it is went up 9%. And now today it is closed around 426 rupees. If you observe stock price, almost from 2 years, from 2021, it is range bounded between price range around 300 to 400. Here you see it is respecting a trend line in weekly chart. When you observe in weekly chart of LIC Housing Finance from 2021 January, so this trend line around between 300 to 400 range. This trend line is respecting. Last week it is crossover the trend line with good volume. Whatever resistance at this trend line, that is crossover this trend line. After crossover this one, it is went up to 426 rupees. Last week it is closed 426 rupees. So in my opinion, after breakout this trend line, it may go up to 500 to 530 level. That means one more 100 rupees. So this is short term analysis about LIC Housing Finance because last week it is a breakout stock, the trend line. So next stock is MOIL, Manganese Ore Indian Limited. It is the largest producer of manganese ore in India under Government of India undertaking with Mini Ratna status. MOIL market capital was just 4,195 crores and current market price is 206 rupees. Interestingly, FIs and DIs increasing their stake comparing with last March quarter to this June quarter. When coming to price action, from last 4 months it is increased almost 45%. That means 140 rupees to 206 rupees. Last Friday, strong resistance was breakout. From 2 years at the price of 190 rupees, it is rejecting and price is corrected to 130 to 140 level. 3 times it is rejected at 190 rupees. But last Friday it is breakout that resistance and closed at 206 rupees. So I think fresh momentum begins in short term. It may improve up to 250 rupees level. Short term and long term investors add this Mini Ratna company MOIL, Manganese Ore Indian Limited, to get 30 to 40% returns in short term. So next stock is Nbcc, National Buildings Construction Corporation Limited. It is established in 1960 as a civil engineering enterprise of Government of India. Today this is one of the country's Navratna status company. The present areas of operation of NBCC in three segments. One is project management consultancy, second engineering procurement and construction, and third real estate development. Present market capital was 8,540 crores with stock price is just 47 rupees. FIs and DIs having their stake up to 14% in this company. If we observe price action on weekly chart, in December 2022 and June 2023, strong resistance formed at 44 rupees. But this week, that resistance breakout and closed at 47 rupees. So in short term, it may reach new price level 60 rupees range. So these are four stocks I suggesting this week, which are breakout stocks: Thomas Cook India, LIC Housing Finance, MOIL, and NBCC for short term gains. If you like my analysis, please subscribe my channel and thank you.